Morning students, today we are going to solve another question from the Pure Mathematics 1 A levels, and the topic is vectors. The statement of the question is the points A and B have the position vectors A and B respectively relative to an origin. The vectors A and B are given by A is equal to 2i minus 2j plus k and B is equal to 6i minus 2j plus 3k. And the first part is obtain the value of the A dot B and hence find the angle AOB back to the nearest degree. Okay, first you should know the concepts of the vectors. So if A is the vector A1i plus A2j plus A3k and B is the vector B1i plus B2j plus B3k, then the concept to find the A dot B is you will multiply the respective values, like I value will be multiplied by I, J will be with the J and K will be with the K. So A1 B1 plus A2 B2 plus A3 B3. So this is the formula to find the A dot B. And the formula to find the magnitude of any vector is, for example, we are going to find the magnitude of a vector. So magnitude is represented by plotting, by drawing two lines around the alphabet. So A's magnitude is A1 square plus A2 square plus A3 square whole square root. So this is the formula. Okay, now these are the vectors given in the question. So A is 2 minus 2, 1. B is 6 minus 2, 3. So these are the two vectors given. And the requirement is A dot B. So you will multiply the respective values. So 2, 6 are 12. Plus sign will be placed in between. Now minus 2 into minus 2 will be plus 4. Again plus sign. And 1 3s are 3. So after solving, 19 is the answer of A dot B. And in the question is find the angle between the A and B, and the formula to find the angle between the two vectors is A dot B is equal to A magnitude B magnitude cos of A O B. Okay, so whatever the vectors are given, first you will take the magnitude of the first vector, then the second vector, and then cos of A, then O, and then B. So this is the formula. Now we are going to put the values into the formula. A dot B, we have find it out, that is 19. So here is 19, and A's magnitude will be, so look now, A's magnitude will be 2 square is 4, minus 2 square is also 4, and 1 square is 1. So 4 plus 4, 8 plus 1, 9. So look now, this has been solved here. Okay, now B's magnitude is, that will be 36 plus 4 plus 9. So look now, 36 plus 4 plus 9 whole square root. And cos of A dot B will remain as it is, because this is the angle which is going to be solved. After solving it, this will be the step, and from here 7 3s are 21 will go to the left hand side into the denominator of 19, and then cos will be inverse. So this is the step, and finally this will be the step. So this is the angle nearest to the whole number. Okay, coming back to the question, for the statement is vector C has the magnitude 12 units and is such that C is equal to PA, where P is the constant. Okay, C's magnitude is given, that is 12, and vector D has the magnitude 14 units such that D is equal to QB, where Q is the constant. So C's magnitude and D's magnitude is given, and the equations are given. So look now, this was the equation given in the question. C is equal to PA. So we are putting the values into this equation. So A's vector is given. So we have put the vector A in place of A. Now P will be multiplied inside the bracket. So this will be the step which will become. And now C's magnitude is given in the question, that is 12. So we will take the magnitude of C's vector, and we will take the magnitude is equal to 12. So 2p square, because the formula was x squared plus y squared plus z squared whole square root. So this is the x. So 2p square is 2p square, and minus 2p square, and finally p square. And the magnitude will be taken equal to 12. So after solving it, this will be the step taken, taking the square root of the both sides, taking the square of the both sides and solving it. So this will be the value of the p. Likewise, the equation of the d was given in the question, that was d is equal to qt. First, q will be multiplied inside, so this will be the step taken. And now the d's magnitude was given in the question, that was 14. So we will take the magnitude of this d vector with the formula of x square plus y square plus z square whole square root. So this is the magnitude taken, and this will be taken equal to 14, because this is the magnitude which was given in the question. And after solving it, this will be the answer. Okay, now come to the next part. Third part is find the magnitude of d minus c. So in the previous part, you have pointed out the value of the c's vector and the d vector. So here is the third part. So c's vector was this one. So p's value we have finded it out. So this value will be multiplied inside the bracket with the a vector, and c vector will become this. Likewise, d vector will become this. And the requirement was d minus c. So d minus c, first we will put d vector minus c vector. So respective values will be subtracted from respective values. So 12 minus 8 will be 4, minus 4 minus will become plus 8. So 4 will be the answer, and 6 minus 4 will be 2. And finally, the d minus c's magnitude was the requirement. So this is the vector now whose magnitude is going to be found out. So like the formula will be x squared plus y squared plus z squared whole square root. So this is the formula for finding the magnitude of any vector. So we are applying the values here into the formula, and this is the value of d minus c magnitude. So this was the question, students. Thank you so much.